Welcome Anon. Today we will show you how to get gift cards in our AnoGift bot. In our Telegram group channel, type bot. Click on AnoGift bot to open the bot channel. Search for your country and the company you want a gift card from. Then, click on Details. Here you enter the amount of your gift card and your email. Select a cryptocurrency, in our case it's Solana, and hit Buy Now. A window will appear with all your information, including receiving address and the exact amount. Better take a screenshot of it. A few moments later, you will receive a mail with your redeem code. Copy it and hit the link. On the new website window, you enter your redeem code, solve the CAPTCHA and hit Submit. A new window with your gift card link will appear. Click on it Anon. There you go. Just activate your reward. Head over to your Amazon app and enter your gift code, and you are ready to go.